Hello everyone, my name is April Renfro. My presentation is on ethical behaviors in the workplace. I will be discussing the importance of ethical behavior in a workplace and what some of those ethical behaviors will look like. My first slide is a brief overview of what I will be going over during this presentation. First, let me define ethical behavior. Ethical behavior consists of set values, moral principles, and certain standards in the workplace. Most businesses provide a guideline that addresses certain standards and regulations, and individuals need to follow along with those guidelines and their own moral principles. There are several important reasons why ethical behavior is beneficial to the workplace. Keep in mind that honest and ethical business practices help workplace maintain their reputation, avoid financial and legal issues, and brings beneficial value to the business, the employees, and the customers. Businesses begin to prosper in several ways when ethical practices are being implemented. The workplace will start to see a positive change in employee-to-employee relationship as well as employee-to-customer relationship. I have provided a short YouTube video that demonstrates some really good examples on how to remain ethical in a workplace, and I would like to play it for y'all.
Here are some practices that can help make things more manageable, to be able to find meaning in work, and to have a harmonious workplace. Your positive contributions will help make a virtuous, positive cycle to support yourself and colleagues. Have a sense of purpose. Reflect on meaningful goals in your work. When things get challenging, refocus yourself on the purpose of your work and who you're ultimately helping. When you do reach your goals, take pride in your accomplishment. Maintain a positive attitude. Having a positive attitude is an important tool in garnering support from others and inspiring your colleagues. Do not ignore problems, but build on a positive stance and working towards realistic and constructive solutions rather than focusing on obstacles. Be healthy. Eat healthy food. Drink plenty of water. Get enough sleep. And find time to exercise. Your physical state can affect your ability to think and communicate effectively. Getting run down only detracts from your ability to perform well. Build social capital. Organizations are based on interdependence or mutual support and knowledge sharing. Building social capital or goodwill among colleagues is important, so you can call on others to help you when needed, and you can share your insight and support when others require assistance. Remain professional. The workplace is a professional environment. It's your responsibility to act professionally, which means using tact and diplomacy, stating facts before feelings, and finding ways to get the job done, even during trying times. Give credit where credit is due, and appreciate those who help you. Above all, treat everyone with respect.
Remember, in the workplace, it is important to practice honesty, fairness, and equity to yourself and to others. Now, there are several different benefits that ethical behavior brings to a workplace. For example, ethical behaviors can lead a happy and satisfied customers and employees, as well as an increase in business profits. Whether you believe it or not, businesses rely on its employees and customers for the overall success of the business. I believe running a business based off of ethical practices and behaviors is important for the employees, customers, and the business. There are many ways a workplace can maintain their ethical work environment, but honestly, the most beneficial is for the business to provide and maintain a routinely training meeting or a refreshment class on the workplace guidelines and ethical behaviors. My goal is to help businesses or workplaces gain an understanding on how to run a positive and ethical business that will help benefit the business, the employees, and the customers. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to promoting a better and ethical work environment for everyone.